What's up, guys? Welcome to Malty Monday. Got another banger from the local beer class. This was another really popular one. Fisher's one of my favorite breweries, so I'm glad we're featuring them as well. We're actually doing prosciutto. This was kind of a crazy pairing, but it actually worked really well. We're doing San Daniele. It's from Dok Dall'Ava. It's a really small area in northeast of Italy, but they do really good prosciutto. What's kind of cool about this and kind of what makes it unique, you can kind of see they use a breed of pigs that are kind of short and stocky, and they have these huge fat asses. And so, so you can see it has this nice fat cap on it, and it's really balanced prosciutto. It's not too salty. You still get that kind of like nice sweet flavor from the pork, and the fat kind of rounds everything out. And it went really good with the beer, and it was a nice light pairing. It didn't, take over, but it stood up to it, and I thought it worked really well.
That's right. So this pairing, this is from Fisher Brewing, which is really cool, and this is actually their Fisher beer. This is a nice crowler of it. You can't get this beer anywhere except the Fisher Brewery, so you got to go down and get it in a crowler like this, or have it on a pint down there. This is kind of their flagship beer. It's a kind of vitalization of the old school Fisher Brewery. Fisher used to be like the biggest brewery in Utah, and it's actually probably still, the biggest brewery that we've ever had in Utah. These guys kind of revitalized the brand. They're just, one of them's descendants of the original Fisher family. They thought it'd be fun to form another brewery, use the name, use the old logo and stuff like that. This is the same logo that it had 80, 70 years ago, which is super cool. You can see from this pour that the beer is nice, light. It's an American style lager, Pilsner, nice big head. What I love about this is it's just such a classic, lager flavor. It's got nice, clean, American grainy malty taste, a little bit of floral, spicy hops, and then that wonderful lager creaminess kind of coming in. This is just a classic beer. It was a great one to open the local beer class. It went really well with the prosciutto. It's kind of the fattiness and then the sweetness of the grain and the little bit of floral hops really kind of balanced off each other and were fantastic.
Yeah, what's also kind of unique and cool about this prosciutto is it's kind of got a little bit of a backstory. A gentleman kind of worked in a factory that produces a ton of prosciutto. Parma is kind of the most popular? Is that you hear prosciutto, a lot of people think instantly Parma. Parma pumps out millions of legs a year, where this guy's doing, I think it's like in between 20 and 40,000 roughly. I could be a little wrong on that, but somewhere in that. But to wrap that up, it's a lot smaller scale, and he's doing things kind of traditionally how it was done and not skipping steps and mass producing, which is really cool, and it reflects in the prosciutto, which is also kind of cool. It's unique. It's not something you get every day, and really good.
Small production prosciutto, small production local Utah beer. Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, so go get yourself some.